In this video, I will unbox 3 more items which I received a couple of days ago. This video is actually continuation of the last unboxing video in which I showed you the gimbal, V2 ring mount and counterweights. In this video, I will show you how to use V2 ring mount and counterweights along with the mic and SIRUI lens, of course. So these are the items. First one is the Rode mic, VideoMicro mic. And the second one is SC7 cable from TRRS to TRRS, and the last one is the SIRUI lens. So let's quickly open the boxes first, then I will show you all items one by one. Okay, this is the mic. It has a really good build quality and the nice fur cover on the top of the microphone. And it's a stand, you can use it as a stand or mount. And this is the cable which comes with the mic. It is only compatible with the DSLR camera, that's why I have ordered the SC7 cable, which will be compatible with the smartphone. And this is also a quick start guide. And this is the color coded patch cable which will be compatible with the smartphone. And the SIRUI lens comes with a really nice box and fitted in the box, and you can unlock it by rotating it on. Look how good is the build quality of the lens. It's a portrait lens, 60mm. Now I'll show you how to use all the accessories with the gimbal and the smartphone. This is how we use all accessories with the gimbal and smartphone. As I already mentioned earlier that I will also show you how to use V2 ring mount and counterweights along with the mic and SIRUI portrait lens. So this is the V2 ring mount. This is how you attach it with the gimbal, and you can attach the mic on the side. This is the Rode mic. This is how you mount it on the side of the V2 ring mount. And here we can see the counterweights. This is how you attach the counterweights to the gimbal to counterbalance the weight of the lens, which is attached to the smartphone. If you don't use the counterweight, the mobile will be imbalanced and it may affect the motor of the gimbal. And this is the portrait lens attached to the camera. I have used all 4 weights to counterbalance the weight of the lens because it was really heavy. I'll show you how it works when we turn it on. You can see how perfectly it is balanced. I'll show you the camera, how it looks with the SIRUI lens. Picture quality looks really good with the lens, and you can go through all the settings in the ZY Play app to tweak the camera settings. There are lots of settings you can see: camera, flash, HDR, white balance, manual, filters, resolution, and other settings as well. In case you guys wondering how to use this mic with the DSLR camera, this is how you can attach the mic to mount on the top of the camera. The cable which is attached to the mic is the one which comes with the box. It is now the SC7 cable, which is compatible with the smartphone only. And this is how it looks. This is the complete filmmaking kit. As we can see here, the gimbal and the SIRUI lens, counterweights, V2 mount, mic and both cables, and of course the phone. This is iPhone 10 or X. Thank you for watching the whole video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.